What's up, guys, on YouTube today? How are you guys today? Right now you're looking at my computer screen, and I want to show you guys on some hard drives are dead, and also some hard drives are still working. I have two Western Digital hard drive. I have a 320 gigabyte hard drive is dead. It's not mine. It's actual one of my family members' hard drives here. I'm just showing you what it looks like and how you can't get the data off of it because it's completely dead. And I also have a non-Western Digital 80 gigabyte drive, and that one is a okay drive because it is a non-family members of my family here. The drive is also working good as well. Now, by doing this experiment, is I'm going to be using this SATA case to test out both of the hard drives as well. Now, first of all, you're going to need to open your case and take out your testing board there. You're going to need that. And by the way, it is important to back up your data on a non-secondary hard drive because you don't know when your hard drive is going to fail, or is it going to pass on, or is it going to be completely dead. And no, by the way, guys, you cannot get the data off of your hard drive after the hard drive fails and dies. Now, we're going to go ahead and plug the testing rig in, this testing rig right here, and we're going to show you. You're going to need your power, and you're going to need your USB cord. USB cord 2.0 for this testing configuration, and you're also going to need a hard drive. This is one of the Western Digital hard drives I'm going to be testing. This is a 320 gigabyte hard drive. Here, this hard drive is completely dead. I can't get no data off of this hard drive because it's dead. It's completely put. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the testing rig, and I'm going to show you guys on how it's going to react on my computer, because once I get it all hooked up and everything here, it's going to make some clicking noises and some loud squeaking noises because the hard drive is dead. Again, you can see on my Windows computer here, my hard drive up there on top, my C drive, is what's working. By the way, you should be backing up all your Windows computers and also all your Mac computers with a backup hard drive. Now again, it's own types of hard drives and own storage options to use. Now I like just to use a hard drive itself because I don't have to pay a monthly fee to use a iCloud or any type of cloud service or internet backup service to back up my drive. Now let's go ahead and turn this drive on. It's going to sound like it's grinding. It's going to like it's completely going to be dead, but it is dead. It's broken. It's gone. The data on it wiped out. Nothing I can do. Nothing I can salvage the hard drive data off of this drive. That means you just gotta replace your hard drive. Let's go and turn it on. See? I know you guys can hear that. It does zzz. Clicking now though, guys. See? Not getting anything on my computer screen. Why? Because the hard drive is dead. The hard drive is gone. It's kaput. I can go to any drive media things on my computer here and look up the drive itself. I'm going to show you a couple options here. Once my thing loads here, we'll go and do the dismantle. And yes, the hard drive is clicking because it has apparently a bad set of heads, or if it just has a standard bad logic board on the hard drive itself. Could see, gone, dead, failed. The drive is useless. The drive is done. It's not on things I can do with this hard drive. It's completely failed, completely gone. It's a good brain drive, but again, like I said, all hard drives will eventually do die. Now let's go ahead and remove the original 320 gigabyte hard drive and put it off to the side, and put the original 80 gigabyte hard drive in place of that one. Now again, here's our model. This is not the same model, this is a different model. This is a non-original 80 gigabyte hard drive. You can see here's all the connections on the back. And here is the logic board is royal on the back of this hard drive. Now, once we plug this guy into the bay, this one will automatically protect on my Windows computer like any on hard drive when you have to format. Now, on this one, you see nothing, it's the same thing, it's dead, it's the same logic board and everything else on this one. But once your hard drives die, guys, ain't no way you get your data back off of it, guys. The hard drives are kaput, they're done. They're now just paperweights. You can use them as a paperweight now because they're gone. And no, you do not want to throw your hard drive away because it may somehow become a landfill kind of issue with this type of technology. And it also is a good thing for thieves to take and see if he can try to take the data off and get your button mobs and everything off of it. But there's no way to get the data off the Western Digital 320 gigabyte because it's just done, dead, gone. Let's go ahead and start this one up. And this one, when I turn and flip the switch, it's not going to make any noise. It's not going to make the squeaking noise. It's going to on it light up. You can see on that side of my screen, point my mouse to it, you guys can see, there is the Western Digital 80 gigabyte hard drive. Now we'll go back in that same configuration here. We'll go into my control panel on my Windows computer, and we'll go to disk management to see if the drive is correctly working. By the way, once a hard drive fails and dies, there's nothing you can do. Absolutely nothing. You can't get the data off it. Done, kaput, absolutely done. Garbage. Done. That doesn't mean you want to throw it away. Don't throw it away because you can just now use it as a paperweight just to hold your paper down. Because all it is just going to be a completely weighted paperweight. You can see here we have the 80 gigabyte hard drive. You can see the 80 gigabyte drive is recognized in my Windows computer. Now again, even with Macs, back up your important data on your Windows computer and your Mac computer. Have multiple hard drive bays and also multiple hard drive cases. In one case you can put all 4 hard drives or 5 hard drives in. For RAID mode cases one fails, you'll have a good system. Because once the hard drive fails, guys, once they go dead, they're done. There's nothing you can do about getting the data off of these hard drives. Like I said, it's many ways. People said, oh, you can get the data off of them by plugging it back in your computer, turning the system on, and getting the data off that way. You guys see, it didn't work for me. Why? Because the hard drive is failed and the hard drive has a set of bad heads and probably a bad set of logic boards as well on the bottom of the hard drive. Now, one thing with the hard drive is a good paperweight. And you can also recycle them if you want. Make sure you destroy the heck out of these things. Drill many holes in the platter, smash it with a hammer do whatever you can to melt that drive down. Make sure that drive does not get any bits of pieces of data off of it, because once the data fails, once the hard drive fails, nothing you can do, because the hard drive is completely dead. Good, see, that's why you should always have a backup, a source from your computer to a known hard drive. Make sure you do get a bigger capacity. I have bought a 2 terabyte hard drive to back up my computer on, because I do video blogs for you guys, and all the 500 gigabyte drive, Seagate drive in my computer is not big enough for all the files I have for you guys on all the different blogs. Alright guys, if you have very new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any ideas on how you can take the data off this hard drive, leave a comment down below. Please also like and please share this video blog with own people knows about hard drives and dead hard drives, how to get the data right off. Alright guys, peace out, bye guys, see you in the next vlog.